Step 9. Sales. There are two ways to check out a sale in Insight. We will go over both ways in this video. Right-click on the client's appointment. This generates an invoice for the client. The client's services will be listed here. If they have any extras to add onto the invoice, they can be added as follows. Double-click to add an item. Double-click to edit. Edit taxes applied here. Apply percentage discounts here. Apply dollar amount discounts here. Enter amount paid and add tip if necessary. Click Finish once the invoice is complete. If the client tips in cash, it will prompt to enter that tip after finishing the invoice. You can also check a client outright from the sales screen. Search for a client here. Double-click the client's name to create the invoice. Double-click the service they received. Double-click the employee that performed the service. Click Add to add it to the invoice. Now you'll process their payment. Click Finish once the invoice is complete.